क्या हाल है मेरे दोस्तों। तो ये है मेरा नया अनबॉक्सिंग वीडियो RealMe 2 Pro का, जो मैंने अभी रिसेंटली खरीदा है फ्रॉम द फ्लिपकार्ट ड्यूरिंग सेल्स पीरियड। आई गॉट इट फॉर अराउंड 15,990 रुपीज़ ओनली। 90 रुपये, 10 रुपये पता नहीं किस बात के ले जाते हैं। लेट्स टॉक अबाउट स्पेसिफिकेशंस। RealMe 2 Pro has a 6.3-inch display with Full HD Plus resolution. It also has Adreno GPU 512. RealMe 2 Pro also gives you Gorilla Glass 3 protection, which is very good. It's based on Android Oreo 8.1 with Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 octa-core 2.0 GHz artificial intelligent engine. It comes in 3 variants: 4, 6 and 8 GB. 4 and 6 GB variant come with 64 GB of internal storage. 8 GB variant comes with 128 GB internal storage. It has a dedicated memory card slot, means that you can have 2 SIM and a memory card. Both the SIM can work in 4G. It has a primary camera of 16 megapixel plus 2 megapixel and a 16 megapixel front camera. It supports 4K video recording at 30 fps. It doesn't have slow motion, means you cannot record video you cannot record video in 60 fps or 120 fps. It has ColorOS 5.2 user interface with face unlock, which is very fast, and it also has a fingerprint sensor, which is very quick. It has 3500 mAh battery, backed by Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 processor. It's very power efficient. Since RealMe 2 Pro has an LCD display with an in-cell technology, it consumes very less power.